Good day everyone, Chef Ben again, and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how to make a quenelle. Quenelle is made from a farce, usually made by, actually made by butchers in the butcher area. It is made from meat, can be poultry or seafood, with some other ingredients, and then processed in a meat chopper. But you can also do it in your houses by using a food processor, homemade household food processor. It is processed in the meat chopper and food processor until it is smooth and fine. And after it's being made, it is given to hot kitchen cooks for cooking. To make a quenelle, a hot kitchen cook usually use a spoon, and the size of the quenelle depends upon how you would serve it. If you want to serve it as an appetizer, you can make it small or medium, scooped in a spoon. Now, if you want to use it as a main course for the buffet, just make it medium. And then, if you want to use it for a main dish, you can make it big. That's it. So, you can even add some vegetables for purpose of color. Like you want to make it green, you can add chopped parsley or chopped spinach. You wanted to make it orange, you can add chopped carrots. By the way, before I forget, for first timer in our channel, after watching the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, guys? So, if we're all ready, without further ado, let's start. We'll be making a fish farce because we'll be making a fish quenelle, a mini fish quenelle for our dish today. So our ingredients is 250 grams of fish fillet, and then 2 pieces egg whites, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley. And later on, we'll be adding cream to make it really white. So guys, we'll start now to process our ingredients. Okay guys, we'll start our fish farce to make a quenelle. So we'll just have to put everything in a food processor. Here, the fish fillet. Make sure that the fish fillet is well chilled. And then our egg whites, our cornstarch, and salt and pepper. And then we'll just process it. Okay, so we'll just process it until fine. it should become smooth and fine. Then we'll add our cream. And then our chopped parsley. And then now, spinach, we'll take it out. Spinach, we'll take it out, and then we will make it a quenelle. We will make a quenelle. This the method of cooking is poaching. So we will poach it. And this is how to make a quenelle. You have to wet your spoons, your teaspoons, and you have to do it this way. So this is a quenelle. So this is a fish quenelle. So this is poaching. There you are. Okay. Poaching, it should there should be no boiling. Okay, this is how to make a quenelle. Now all of the quenelles are already in the seasoned fish stock. You will notice that it's not boiling because I am just poaching it. So meaning there should be no boiling. No, it will just be cooked. You will notice if it is cooked, it will just float. No? The benefit we get from poaching is that the reduction in size is very, very, very minimal. So when you assume that you made that big, it will remain that size. Okay, so we'll just wait for all of the quenelles to float. It is a sign that it's already cooked, and then we'll take it out. Now we will take all of the quenelles out because it already float. So it's a sign that it's already cooked because it already floats. So there you are. So this is a fish quenelle. So guys, I believe I have shown you very clearly how to make a quenelle. A quenelle after making a meat farce. Reminder again, you can make a quenelle from meat like veal or pork, and for poultry you can use chicken or turkey. For seafood you can just use plain fish, or you may add some other seafood like shrimp to have a little bit of something red. As I mentioned earlier, that we can also add color by using vegetables and flavor as well. Okay, so for comments and suggestions, don't hesitate to just write below. Thank you very much for watching. See you next video. This is Chef Ben Casamon signing off, and God bless us all.